I just feel like one's bigger than the other. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Mel, and go ahead and click that subscribe button. Join our little Mel gang that we have going on, coined by Ani. You are the official namer of our little friend group, and we love you so much. Thank you for joining all of my broadcasts. And today I have a really exciting review for you, I guess. Yeah, I guess it's a review. After my Fashion Nova video hit over 300,000 views, which is like insane, I had a ton of you guys ask me what kind of strapless bra I wear, and I usually wear a bra from Victoria's Secret. I'm gonna be super honest, I freaking hate it. I feel like it makes my boobs look like sausage casings and it sucks. Now I'm gonna show you guys what I have been using lately to get decent cleavage for strapless. I mean, well, there's the straps from the romper itself, but like, this is like good. Okay, so most of you guys know I am constantly complaining about how big my boobs are. Currently, well, I know they were a 32 triple D, but honestly, they're kind of ranging above that, more into like the G. So they're either 32 triple D or 32G. I don't know. It's ridiculous. I get it. I know I'm gonna have crazy comments. I know. It's stupid. It is. But I don't know. That's just what's happening right now. And what I have been using is a new bra. Well, I think it's a new bra. I don't really know because I've seen a whole bunch of video reviews. But it is called the Upbra. And it's super cool because what it does is for girls that have little boobies, it'll take your little boobs and make them bigger boobs. Or if you have big boobs like me, it can help you just kind of get them up there. Because we all know when you have big ones, they suck. So you gotta kind of work with what you got. So what I've been using is the Upbra that I told you about. Super neat. I ordered 2 of them, which I can kind of show you. It's a black one, strapless. And I love it. And the reason I love it is because it has these hooks on the inside that you pull them, and it kind of just like pushes your boobs up. And it's not that it's padded, because honestly it's not really all that padded. Just like it pushes them together. So let me show you the difference, okay? This is with the Upbra. This is my regular Victoria's Secret bra. It's not padded as well, but it doesn't push them together. It's kind of like, okay, here's some pockets, put your boobs in them, and we're gonna hold them. So this is it. And what I hate is it has like the decorative thing in there, so you can even tell it's a bra. I don't know, I just don't like it. And it's not strapless, so it just doesn't look good. I don't like it. I don't like it. And it's not that like my boobs are like saggy. They're just like, they're heavy. They are heavy. Everybody keeps commenting like, oh, blah, 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 you and your fake boobs. Nah, dog. These are real. This is a whole lot of Puerto Rico and a little bit of bra. I don't know. I was really skeptic because I didn't really know if this whole Upbra thing would work for me. So I got it. I got 2 of them in the color black and nude. This is the black one. This is the one that I just took off. I really like it because it has like rubber band kind of detail on the inside, and it like sticks to you so it doesn't slide down. And so you guys can verify I did get this in a 32 triple D. Oh my gosh, is the focus not working today? What the heck? Okay, so it has this little thing to hold your boobs in there, and it kind of just, it holds it. It's kind of like springy in a way. And when you pull this, it pulls it together, and vice versa. Sorry, I'm stuck at this. See how that works? And what you do is you hook it. There are these spots right here that you would hook it. Can you guys see those little spots? So you pull it to where you want it to pull, and then you hook. So it's not that it's padded, it's literally just pushing your chest up there. I have not worn the nude yet. This is how it comes, by the way. It comes in a bag like this with your size on the bottom, Upbra, style, number, whatever, 32 triple D, stay up nude. And it does come with this bag with little straps in it. So if you wanted to, you can make it a regular bra, you can make a convertible bra, a halter bra. Now, they are a little bit more than my average Victoria's Secret bras. I don't remember how much I paid for this one. I think it was like $53, and this one was probably like 15 bucks more. but I would definitely get this over Victoria's Secret. Okay, so now I'm back in it, and that is just, it's just so much better because I actually have curvature now to my chest, and this is just regular. I haven't even pulled the strings yet. Let me pull the strings and show you guys. So right now I have like a little gapping in between, and I mean, it's all right, but let me see if I can hook it real quick and show you guys the difference. Okay, so I finally got the hooks in there, which it's not hard. I'm just like, I don't know, I suck at doing simple tasks. But now I got the hooks together, and it has like no spacing in it now, so I like it a lot. It just it fills it up. So let me know what you guys think. Do you think it was worth the extra $15 or not? Honestly, I do. Also, I want to let you guys know that since I like this so much, I did contact them, and I do have a coupon code for you guys to use if you do want to try one of these. I'm gonna have it linked in the description below and the code right there. So make sure you guys check out the description box. I will have a link to both the black one and the nude one. No, I do not get any money or paid or compensated or commission or anything like that. So buy it if you want, use my code if you want. If not, you're not gonna hurt my feelings. Just trying to save you guys money. But yeah, I like it. Guys, buy your girl one because this is pretty awesome. Okay, bye guys.